morning, everybody, and welcome to this very chilly Tuesday morning. Right, everybody, what we're going to start off by doing today is I'd like you to do some very nice, neat handwriting. Try and remember how we form our letters and our starting points. Make sure they fit snugly in the line and that they are beautiful and neat. Then we're going to be doing some rhyming words. I hope you have a little bit of fun with those. We have done them before quite a few times last term, but just in case you get a little bit stuck, you guys, our rhyming words, although they can start with different sounds, there's always a sound that sounds the same in rhyming words, like fat and bat. What sounds sound the same in fat and bat? We can hear the at sound. Fall and maul. Our all sounds is what sounds the same. So you're going to have fun with some of your rhyming words, everybody. And then we're going to be moving on to our maths worksheet for today. And our maths worksheet for today, the first one, is we've got some jugs and they've got some measuring points on the side, everybody. And every single time you can see the liquid inside your jugs, it gets to a certain line. Now, every single time it gets to a line, that means you've added 1 cup. So if it gets to the first line, you've put in 1 cup. If it gets to the second line, you've added 2 cups. If it gets to the third line, you've added 3 cups. So what I'd like you to do is you're going to look at all of your jugs and you are going to see how many cups did I need to get to that line. So you'll start from the bottom, from your first line, and you count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Then we're going to be doing some before numbers. So if I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to 16, what number comes before 16? Remember, whenever we talk about before, it's smaller. Then we're going to move into the between. So if I've got 18 and 20, what number's missing in the middle? And then, of course, when we talk about after, we're getting bigger. So if I've got 57, what number is going to come after 57? And then we've got some number sums to do and a number pattern. Am I getting bigger? Or am I getting smaller? And if I'm getting bigger or smaller, how many numbers am I moving up or down each time? So am I taking away 2, or am I plussing 2, or am I counting in 2s? Notice your pattern. And lastly, everyone, we've got some fun little pictures here, and we have to decide when we measure liquids, everybody, so like milk or Coke or various different food items, we often measure them in what we call milliliters, which is ml, or liters. Now, if I'm looking at my very large water cooler picture, now those water coolers are like in people's offices or shops. Am I going to, if I need to measure how much water is in there, am I going to use milliliters and I have to scoop out all the water, or is it going to be easier to measure in liters? All right. So what you're going to do is, everyone, you're going to look at those little things and say to yourself, right, can I use a liter jug to measure a teaspoon? Can I use milliliters to measure a bucket? And you're going to tick the ones that you think would be the best idea to measure each of those items. Right, good luck everybody, and if you've got any questions, you're welcome to get in touch with me, and I hope you enjoy your story. See you tomorrow.